good afternoon students. I hope you all have watched your first video of robotics. Today we are going to see some more deeper into the robotics. First class we have seen what is robot. We all know robot is anything which makes human work easy. And we have seen what is robotics. It is nothing but the study of robots and what are the advantages of robots. Everything we have learned in the first section. In the first session we have learned about what we are using for sensing, what we are using for thinking and what we are using for acting. As like that, today we are going to see about automatic street light. What we are going to see? We are going to see automatic street light. Come on, let's come into deeper into the automatic street light. Nothing but automatic. Automatic means we know it is doing something without the manpower. So, in our day-to-day life, we will be seeing people will be switch on the street light when it turns to 6 o'clock. And when it is dark, some places they will forget to switch on the street light. It may affect the peoples in that village. So, let me teach you about the automatic street light. First, I will show you a demo. After that, I will be asking a question to you. You people should answer the questions which I am asking. Clear about it? Okay, let's come into the automatic street light. Let's see there. Okay, just I am giving the power supply. Okay, now I have given the power supply. So, once it is sensing the dark, look at here, automatic street light. Light is glowing. Let me off the light and I will show you clearly. Once I off the switch, the street light is on because it is sensing the dark part. Once I on the light, the street light is off. Is it clear? When it senses the dark, the light is on. When it senses the light is off. Okay, this is the demo. Once I on the light is off. Clear? Okay, now I'm just reconnected. Come on. Here we are using LDR sensor. Okay, what sensor we were using? LDR sensor for sensing the light as well as dark. And we were using NPN transistor. I will explain everything detailedly. Okay, I am using the NPN transistor for processing purpose and I am using LED for light. Clear? So, the logic is once it senses, it will think and it will act. So let me ask a question. Here, what is the sensor we were using? What is the sensor? We were using LDR sensor. Clear? We were using LDR sensor. This is the LDR sensor, which is nothing but light dependent resistor. Okay? This is LDR sensor, which have two terminals. This, the full form of LDR is light dependent resistor. What this will do means, it will sense the light as well as dark. When it senses the light, when the light increases, the resistivity of the LDR decreases. I will explain all this very detailedly in upcoming classes. Now I am just going light briefly about the automatic street light. Clear? So here I am using NPN transistor. This is the NPN transistor. We have three terminals: collected, base and emitter. Okay, I will explain this also in the upcoming classes very clearly. You are very junior level for this robotics, so I will explain everything very clearly. So don't be bothered about it. So NPN transistor is using for switching the circuits. So we can say it is processing in this circuit and I'm using LED. LED is nothing but you would have learned in science. LED is light emitting diode. LED is emitting light. So we were saying this as LED, and here we will use resistor. You would have learned about resistor in science. Resistor is nothing but which resists the flow of current. Okay. So you know about battery. We were using 9-volt battery. This is the battery strip. So we can connect it. We have two terminals, positive as well as negative. Next one, the main components whichever need for the project is, first we will say multimeter. You should have multimeter before you are starting the projects. Multimeter is used to check the components whether it is working or not. It is much necessary. So you can purchase any type of multimeters. So I will teach you how to check the components in the upcoming class. Okay, here we can see only one strand, right? So this is single strand wires which we were using for the project. So for cutting the wire, we were using wire cutter. Clear? Next one is insulation tape. You can buy from anywhere. You can get it from anywhere to paste it LED in the wires. Next, the main components which we need is breadboard. This is the breadboard. Okay. Here we were connecting all the components in this breadboard. Breadboard is used to connect all the components. In upcoming classes, I will explain what is breadboard, how we have to connect. Okay. So let me come into automatic street light. So I have explained and I have shown what is the demo of automatic street light. Automatic street light is used in all the places. We can reduce the manpower. As I have explained about automatic street light, once more I will repeat what are the components necessary for doing automatic street light. First necessary thing is breadboard. Okay, first necessary thing is breadboard. What is the purpose of breadboard? Breadboard is used to connect the components. Okay, clear? Next, what we are using for sensing? We were using LDR sensor. We were using LDR sensor for sensing. So LDR sensor have two terminals. Clear? Next, after sensing, how it process? We need a processor, right? For in here, we were using NPN transistor. Okay, NPN transistor. NPN transistor is nothing but switching components. You can see as a switching components. Okay. Next, we were seeing LED. LED have two terminals. LED have two terminals, positive and negative. The full form of LED is light emitting diode. Next things which we need is the resistor. We need two resistor. One is 100K resistor and the other is 330 resistor. I will mention what are the components necessary in this video, so you can watch what are the things necessary, and if you are interested to do this project, please purchase from the shops. So next upcoming classes I will explain this very deeply so you can able to connect by your own from your home. Okay. Next component which is very necessary for this project is battery. Without battery, whether we can operate the project? No. As like our mobile phones, can we operate our mobile phones without charge? If we have 0% charge and we were having SIM, memory card, whether that there is a use of mobile? No. As like that, we were using battery here. Battery which we are using here is a storage battery. Okay. Do you know the difference between AC and DC? Yes or no? You would have learned in science. I will be explaining that in a practical manner so you will get very clear idea. Daily you will be learning one electrical things related to day-to-day life. Okay, let me explain what is AC and what is DC. You know, DC is direct current and AC is alternate current. So where are the places we have AC? In our homes, whether this is AC or DC. Most of the students may say AC and most of the students might think it is DC. Let me explain clearly. This is a DC source. Okay, because some storage power is stored in this. But when we take power station, the power have not been stored there. So that is AC. Clear? Some storage devices which store some power can be say as DC, direct current. We were getting it directly. And in our household, in laboratories, everywhere we can see AC because that is an alternate current which is coming from a power station. Clear? Okay. So I hope you people understand what is automatic street light. Everything can be possible by us. I often used to say, if not now, then when? If not you, then who? Please think of this. Everyone can do different types of projects. In upcoming days, I will be explaining clearly about the sensors, so you know where are the places we can use LDR sensor and LED and NPN transistor, everything. Please try to purchase if you are very interested to do this project. If you have purchased this project, in next class, we will be seeing the connection and how to use every component. Clear? Any doubts, feel free to contact me. Thank you students. Thank you. Bye-bye.